Hi, Sunny. Andito ko ngayon sa Ross. Gusto kong ipakita mo to sa mga batang pumupunta dyan sa'yo. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
This is $60. This is $60.
Okay, if you want
Look
that.
at this way. And you got this. This is $60.
Nandito ako sa toy section. Okay, folks. Ito ang mga toys.
Look at it.
Are you asking about these?
Yes, yes.
She's not sure. They come from corporate.
Oh,
So
I
she
know
said
it.
you can
It's a
call our
truck.
corporate and see if they'll tell you, but she doesn't know.
Do you have a phone number for the
It'll
corporate?
be on the back
It
of your
has a free
receipt.
recursion.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try to call. Thank you so much. Yeah.
How much do you have? You have $4. Means
Here are the toys. Oh my goodness, this is pretty toys.
you just have it. Hey, this is $20. This is bad enough. It's not even no, that's $20.
Look at these toys. Look at these toys.
You might buy 2 of these. Yippee! Oh my God, there's a lunchbox.
Meron pa dun sa taas. Isang aisle lang ito. Para sa mga toys. Meron pa sa kabila. Look at that. Yeah, habang pagka nandiyan sila, pakita mo sa kanila sa nito, sa computer mo. Okay, that's. Siguro, kung meron silang nagustuhan dito, pwede natin bilhin. At, papadala natin sa kanila. Siguro, depende. Ang ganda nito. Ang dami, oh. 80. Ito, collectibles ata. Ito sana yun. Yeah, kung sino siguro yung mas maraming maglaro dyan sa'yo. Pwede natin bigyan ito. Parang pa-bonus.
Excuse me, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. Nerf gun. Wow, ang dami. Hani, bilhin natin sila kung sino yung maraming maglalaro sa'yo. Oh, wow, look at that. Kung sino ang deserving. Ito ang Nerf gun. Sana yung pinakita ko sa'yo. That's big gun. That's a big gun. Oh, that one is that. Hindi pa, remote control. Nakakuha si Patty? Pat, did you get something?
No, I haven't yet.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna get?
I got stuff.
Okay, don't go this video, huh? I almost done. I'm just gonna show this to
How much dollars is this?
oh, look at that.
How much is this? How much is this? I want this.
Right here.
$19. Oh my God!
So yeah, you can get that if that's what you like.
Wait, I need something cheaper than that. Wait. Wait, is this mine? Okay.
I got a
I can
deal.
Oh my goodness.
$5. Stop. 14, and 5 more equals 19. I'm gonna screw it. I'm gonna buy this. What's this cost? I'm gonna buy.
I don't know. You know how to read, right?
$5.
$5.
And 99 cents.
Okay, so how much total everything?
This is 4. And
Oh,
this,
wait. I don't want it to be in my video.
It goes 19. So I got 19.
19? How much is a big box?
10.
Oh, okay. And then the 2 smaller box, toy.
The gummy bear is 4, and this one is $5.
Oh my goodness, you get a good deal, my friend.
Which one is these? I want these. I want both of these.
Oh
Which one
gosh.
is these?
Oh my goodness, look at this.
These are $5. These are $5.
So all, ito para sa lahat ng mga manlalaro mo, Sunny. Ipakita mo to sa kanilang lahat. Okay, mga manlalaro dyan, mga boys. This is for you. For your fun before you play. Okay, Pat? Okay.
I haven't got
See you.
anything yet.
And see you soon. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye.